Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever had to choose between Power BI and Tableau, you know how confusing it can get. Both are amazing tools, but they are not the same. And picking the wrong one can cost you time and money. So today, I'm going to break down Power BI versus Tableau across 5 key areas. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. So let's get into it. Let's start with ease of use. Because if a tool is too hard to learn, it does not matter how powerful it is. Power BI is extremely beginner friendly. If you have used Excel, you will feel right at home. The drag and drop interface is simple and you can build your first dashboard in under an hour. No coding is needed. Tableau is also drag and drop, but it has a slightly steeper learning curve. The interface gives you a lot of control over your visuals, which is great, but it can feel overwhelming at first. So if you are just starting out, Power BI is the easier entry point. But once you invest your time in learning Tableau, the results are stunning. Now let's talk about price because budget matters. Power BI Desktop is completely free. If you want to share reports with your team, Power BI Pro costs around $10 per users per month. And if your company already uses Microsoft 365, there's a good chance you already have access. Tableau on the other hand is significantly more expensive. Tableau Creator, the full featured plan, costs around $75 per users per month, and that's a big jump for individuals, small teams or companies on a budget. Power BI wins hands down. Tableau is more of an enterprise investment. This is where things get really interesting. Visualizations. Tableau was literally built for visual analytics. It gives you pixel perfect charts, advanced map layers, custom animations, and a level of design flexibility that's hard to match. If your dashboard needs to look exceptional, Tableau is the tool. Power BI has improved a lot in this area. With its app source marketplace, you can download hundreds of custom visuals. You can even use Python or R to create advanced charts. For most business dashboards, Power BI's visual dashboards are more than enough. But if you design and visual storytelling are your top priority, Tableau still has the edge. What about connecting to your data? Let's see how each tool handles this. Power BI integrates natively with the entire Microsoft ecosystem: Excel, Azure, SharePoint, SQL Server, Teams. If your organization runs on Microsoft tools, Power BI fits in perfectly. Tableau is platform agnostic. It connects to hundreds of data sources: Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, Salesforce, and many more. It's a better fit if your tech stack is diverse or not Microsoft centric. The rule of thumb: Microsoft shop, go for Power BI. Mix or non-Microsoft environment, Tableau gives you more flexibility. Alright, let me make this super simple for you. Choose Power BI if you are working in a Microsoft environment, you need quick business reports and KPI dashboards, your budget is tight, or your team is coming from an Excel background. Choose Tableau if you need deep visual exploration and advanced analytics. Design and interactivity of dashboards is your top priority. You are in an enterprise with a mixed tech stack, or you want to create dashboards that truly impress stakeholders. There is no single right answer. It all comes down to your specific situation. So that's it. Power BI versus Tableau broken down across ease of use, pricing, visualization, data connectivity, and use cases. My personal take: if you're starting out or working in a Microsoft environment, start with Power BI. It's free, powerful, and you will be productive fast. If you are in a larger organization where data storytelling really matters, Tableau is worth the investment. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you team Power BI or team Tableau? I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.